I want you to be able to see this wall up here. It had a huge bulge. You should be able to see this right here, but it was enormous. And this is a plastered wall that they wanted to try to fix. It had little blisters and bubbles all over it. But this plaster is incredible. I cut this piece out of here, the bulge out of here. But look at the wire. You see the wire that's in this thing? This is really, really thick. And you know what I noticed too? This was a laptop long before there was ever a laptop. This is what an old laptop used to be. So I don't think they build laptops like this anymore. Incredible, but I'm going to try to make this wall right. I chiseled out the big bad spots, the big lumps that were in there. The wire mesh was actually pulled away from the wall. I cut that back. I threw some drywall in there now to make up the difference. And I'm going to just float it out, coat it out. I sealed this wall up really well with guards, so things will stick to it. I think it'll work. I think I'll be okay. I'm not great at this plastering stuff. If you've watched my videos and stuff, you'll know that I mainly do new construction. But I've worked in and around this neighborhood long enough to know if you can't do some plastering work, you're going to be out of a job. So I've honed my skills in to include a lot of plastering. I have noticed too that when I'm using plaster, I have to use the real Durbond, which is what I have here, and fiberglass mesh, because paper tape does not hold up in plaster at all. I've made this Durbond pretty stiff. So I can coat this in relatively good, because I have some big gaps and stuff in here that I need filled. And all I'm looking to do right now is get a base coat on here. Once I have a base coat on here and it sets up, then I can turn right around and start finishing it. And I'll show you. I'll show you what I'm doing. I'll bring it to finish before I air this video. Okay, just trying to cut this in some. I know they're redoing these stairs, and there's going to be a board alongside the wall, so I'm not too concerned about that right there or here, because there will be a board alongside the wall covering all that up. But pan number 3. I was just listening to a commercial, a banking commercial. And they said, oh, we will let you know if you're over tipping at the restaurants and stuff like that. So if I really have to leave it up to the bank to calculate my tip out, maybe I need to get a little bit smarter on how I'm handling my money, rather than letting somebody else do it for me. You know what this is, right? You guys have seen this before. What a great thing to have. Thank you, Marshalltown, for giving me this knife to try it, because up until I got this knife, I never really thought I would have ever had a use for it. But oh my gosh, this is going to be exactly what to use it for, is a job like this. So. Okay, this is good. Now, that's a start. I know it's not looking phenomenal and flat, but you've heard me say many times before, don't play with it too much. Get it so far and walk away. So walk away from this now. Let it set up. Come back to it after it's just about set up, and we'll show you what to do next. So stay tuned. Hey, if you really like the videos, subscribe. And if you really, really like the videos, please just share them with somebody else. All right? You guys have a great day.